Welcome to Mahila Samaja online class. Subject Maths. Topic Subtraction. Find the difference. See, 8,000 minus 4,235. The first to subtract in ones place. So ones is 0. 0 minus 5 to possible? No. Therefore, we are going on to tens place. In tens place is also 0. In 100 place also 0. We are to borrowing 110 in 1000 place to 100 place. 1000 place in the 100 place you 10 ತಗೋಬೇಕು. 10 ತಗೊಂಡಾಗ here is 7. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಈ 0 ಹೋಗಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? That is 10 ಆಯ್ತು. After ಇಲ್ಲಿ 10th place ಇಲ್ಲಿ 100 place in the 10th place is given for 110. Here 9. ಆಮೇಲೆ 10th place in the 1st place we have to given for 10. Here 9. After to subtract 10 minus 5. 10 minus 5 how much? 5. 9 minus 3. 9 minus 3 how much? 6. 9 minus 2. 9 minus 2 7. 7 minus 4 how much children? 3. See, and the difference is 3,765. Next problem, 2,000 minus 1,645. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ones place, tens place, in 100 place, zeros ಇದೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 1000 place ಇಂದ we have to borrow to tens place. ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ borrow ತಗೋಬೇಕು. 10 9. Here 1 is there. After ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ 110 heading ತಗೋಬೇಕು. ತಗೊಂಡಾಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 10 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ 9 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Afterwards ಆಮೇಲೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ 1's place ಗೆ is given for 10. Here in 10's place is 9. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 10 ನಲ್ಲಿ 5 ಹೋದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು? 5. 9 minus 4 5. 9 minus 6 how much? 3. 1 minus 1 0. The next problem, 6,000 minus 3,534. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇನೆ ನೋಡಿ, 1's place, 10's place, in 100 place 0. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 1000 place ಈಗ 1000 place ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ನಾವು? ಈ 1000 place ಇಂದ 100 place ಗೆ 110 ತಗೋಬೇಕು. ತಗೊಂಡಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? here 10 ಆಯ್ತು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 110 ಕೊಟ್ಟೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 5 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 10th place, ಈ 10th place ಅಲ್ಲಿ 0 ಇದೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಒಂದು 10 ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. 10 ತಗೊಂಡಾಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 10 here 9. in one's place, in one's place ಅಲ್ಲಿ is given for 10. in 10th place is 9. Have to subtract it. 10 minus 4 how much? 6. 9 minus 3 how much now? 6. 9 minus 5 4. 5 minus 3 2. See, answer is 2,466. Next problem, 7,400 minus 2,673. Finally, 1's place to 10's place 0 ಇದೆ. We have 100 place. 100 place ಅಲ್ಲಿ we have ನಾವು 110 ತಗೋಬೇಕು. 110 ತಗೋಬೇಕು. Here 3 is there. In 1's place we take for 10. In 10's place 1 minus. That is 9 ಬಂತು. After 10 minus 3 is 7. 9 minus 7 2. See, 3 minus 6 have to possible? No. ಅವಾಗ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? We have to borrowing 110. Borrowing ತಗೊಂಡಾಗ ಏನಾಯಿತು? 3 ಹೋಗಿ 3 plus 10 plus 3 is 13. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 6 ಬಂತು. After 13 minus 6, how much? 13 minus 6, 7. Here in thousand place, 6 minus 2 is 4. See, answer is 4727. Next problem, 9200 minus 5749. ಇಲ್ಲಿ in 100 place ಅನ್ನು ತಗೊಂಡಾಗ ನೋಡಿ, ones place in 100 place is 0, ones place in tens place 0. in 100 place ಇಂದ we are borrowing 110. borrowing 10 ತಗೊಂಡಾಗ is 10 ಬಂತು. tens place 100 ತಗೋಬೇಕು. after ones place ಅಲ್ಲಿ we are borrowing 110. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 10 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. here 9. 10 minus 9, how much? 10 minus 9, 1. 9 minus 4, how much? 5. Here 1 is there. 1 minus 7 possible? No. We have to borrowing 110. 1 borrowing 10 ತಗೊಂಡಾಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 10 plus 1 is 11. Here 8 is there. 11 minus 7. 11 ಅಲ್ಲಿ 7 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು? 4. Here 8 minus 5. 8 minus 5, 3. Answer is 3451. Next topic, subtract without regrouping. Without regrouping means without borrowing. Without borrowing. First problem, 9000 minus 5343. But very easy method. 9000 ಅಲ್ಲಿ 1 subtract ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು? 9000 minus 1, yes, 8999. 3. 5343 subtract 1 ಅಂದಾಗ 5343 minus 1. minus 1 ಅಂದಾಗ 5342. ನೋಡಿ, ಈಗ 9 minus 2, 7. 9 minus 4, 5. 9 ಅಲ್ಲಿ 3 ಹೋದ್ರೆ 9 minus 3, 6. 8 minus 5. 8 minus 5, 3. See, answer is 3657. This answer I write down for here. 3657. ನೀವು ವೆರಿಫೈ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬಹುದು. ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ 110 ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ 110 ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ 110. 10 minus 3, 7. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 110 ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರೆ 9 ಇರುತ್ತೆ. 9 minus 4, 5. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 110 ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 9 ಇರುತ್ತೆ. 9 minus 3, 6. Here 110 had given. Here how much? 8. 8 minus 5, 3. This both answer is correct. That is easy way. Next, 5000 minus 2479. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ 5000 subtract 1 ಅಂದಾಗ minus 1 ತೆಗಿರಿ. 5000 ಅಲ್ಲಿ 1 ತೆಗೆದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು? 4999. 2479 to subtract 1 minus 1 ತೆಗಿರಿ. ಅವಾಗ ಏನಾಯ್ತು? 2478. See, first have to subtract it. 9 minus 8, 1. 9 minus 7, 2. 9 minus 4. How much? 5. 4 minus 2. 2. See, answer is 2521. This answer write down for here. 2521. Solve the brackets. 3 plus 7 minus 4 plus 3. Here, there are two brackets is there. I have to remove the bracket. Remove the bracket, the inside of the number have to simplify. Okay? And 3 plus 7, how much? 10. Minus 4 minus 4 plus 3. 4 plus 3, how much? 7. Here 10 minus 7. Have to simplify it. 10 minus 7, 3. Next problem, 20 plus 4 minus 20 minus 4. There are two brackets is there. The inside of the bracket, inside of the number, have to simplify it. See, 20 plus 4. 20 plus 4, how much? 24. Minus 20 minus 4. 20 minus 4, 60. 60. Have to simplify it. 24 minus 60. See how much you have? Now, we are going on to in working column. 24 minus 16. 4 minus 6 have to possible? No, have to borrowing 10. 10 plus 4, 14. Here 1. 14 minus 6. How much? 8. 1 minus 1, 0. Answer is 8.